Cartool is a 64-bit Windows standalone application. You don't need to install any other package or library to run it, and it will not interfere with any other package you might already have on your machine. You install Cartool by simply running a Windows installer, a quick and easy operation. Searching for Cartool alone might not be that successful. Search for Cartool plus EG instead. Or search for Cartool plus GitHub. You can land on either the Cartool GitHub source code page or the Cartool GitHub web page. In either case, there is a release menu. Click on it. It should show you the latest available release. In the Assets section, click on the Setup executable to download it. The browser might whine a little bit, just trust the file is legit. Once downloaded, just run the installer, and voila! Sometimes, the installer might fail, complaining with a writing error message. This most certainly happens because an instance of Cartool is still running in the background. Terminate all running Cartool processes on your machine, then run the installer again. If this does not work, you might try to temporarily lower the UAC level beforehand. Another reason could be you do not have proper admin rights on your machine. In that case, you need to contact your IT support so they can run the installer for you.